We guide you through how to unlink Instagram from Facebook. First thing you need to do is open your Instagram app and tap your profile icon. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down and tap Accounts Center, which is where Meta manages connections between Instagram and Facebook. Next, tap Accounts and select the Facebook account that's linked and choose Remove Instagram. Will ask you to confirm the action. So, review the details carefully and tap Remove again to fully unlink the accounts. If prompted, enter your password to verify it's really you. Once done, your Instagram will no longer be connected to Facebook, meaning post stories and login details won't automatically sync anymore.